Emma's trying to figure out chopsticks. Emma gave up on chopsticks.
Can't wait for summertime, it won't be long when you come back. I love you like I do, love you like I do. Love you like I do.
Good morning, Din Dynasty. Right now we're staying alongside the highway, letting locals get really close to me. Emma and I right now, we're at Sunrise Shack. Apparently she said this is where all the TikTokers go. So apparently, yeah, I guess I had to drive up here this morning to get them. Acai bowls and such. Apparently it's very popular, and we're gonna see how good it is. The serving sizes are huge though. Look at that one. That's just a medium. Oh, I think mine's up. I'll be right back. Secret tunnel, secret tunnel. Whoa.
We're literally going under a mountain right now. Think how they had to like clear this out.
Probably not gonna have audio.
I know.
We're down here in Waikiki now. It's totally a different vibe than the North Shore. First off, there's more road space. We have more than 2 lanes, and there's tons of more stores, a lot more people. I would say this is more like the downtown area of a city. It's much bigger, much more packed. The life of everything is a lot. So now we're at a Vietnamese restaurant. We're gonna get some grub in, and then move Kaylee into her condo area, and then we're gonna head out to our resort. And I'm hoping we get closer to the ocean side, just because I can already tell north side was a little bit better, just because it was more local, suburban, homey, relaxing and calm. And here's more the hustle and bustle. So, yeah. Emma's trying to figure out chopsticks. Emma gave up on chopsticks. Anyways, I got my food. We call it Vietnamese pizza, but you know, like it has some pork in there, some shrimp, some other vegetables. Yeah, on sale. And then Emma, she got chicken fried rice, and obviously she's not gonna finish it all. I wanted that one and this and something else, but the plan was I'll get this, she'll get the chicken fried rice because she'll eat that, but not all of it. So I'm gonna eat that also on top of mine. And yeah, I'm excited because authentic Asian food is the best food. Hey Nia. Hey Nia. Yeah, so Sean's excited. Yeah, I think he likes this place. So see you after our meal.
Hi.
It gives me vertigo looking up and then turning back around.
Yeah, it's kind of scary. Yeah. Now look down. I'm about to spit on you.
No.
I was just telling Steve, if you see a stream coming down, don't look up.
It's piss.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't open your mouth.
Wow.
Hey, I think your parents are on the opposite end.
Okay.
Looking the other direction, I think.
The ocean view?
No, well, they may be. There may be a corner way
you
over
mean-
here.
Oh look, lemonade.
But they're in a similar room, same
Gotcha.
setup. Yes.
Alright guys, we're settled in somewhat now, and I think the plan is today, for the rest of the evening, just relax, hang out, do whatever you want, because we're at a freaking resort. So I'm gonna head down to the pool, Oceanside. I have no idea what's down there. Should be fun. I was taking a peek at it earlier, and there was a lot of stuff to take in. Check-in alone, there was, I think, an entire wall section of the whole front side that was designated just for check-in. I think they had about 20 employees just doing check-in, so our check-in took quite a bit. But we're settled in-ish, and by settled in, I mean suitcases all in the center of the room. This is our backside view. It's pretty awesome, mountainside, and then the ocean side is on the other wall of the hotel. So I guess I'll see you later tonight. Enjoy yourself while I'll enjoy myself. See you in here in a few seconds. Hey guys, sorry I didn't take you with me, but you can get over it. I'm eating some musubi right now. It's spam, rice, sushi. Not sushi. What? Seaweed. So our swimming area consists of a super pool. It's a large-sized pool. We have access to like 3 of them. A lagoon with water bicycles, a beach. But Nia, me and Sean, we debunked it and we figured out it's like a fake beach because found out like the sand is like imported. They built the beach themselves, so it's like a man-made beach. So that kind of sucks. It was fine. It's nothing too exciting. We were in for like 5 minutes. We're like, yeah, we're bored. And we got the vibe that the people here is kind of entitled. So we decided North Shore is more like humbling, more calm, more relaxing, real beaches and everything. But I mean, this experience is amazing. Don't get me wrong. It just, yeah. Anyways, swam for a bit in the pool. It was fun. Threw Libby around. She's tiny Asian. Got some musubi. They're getting dressed right now to go to dinner. Japanese place around here. Where we're at this resort, there's tons of different places to shop at. Bought some fancy chocolate from one of them just now. Rest of the night is just hang out. I'm pretty sure at this resort, just try and relax to the best of our ability. Eat Hawaiian food, drink Hawaiian drinks. Just hang out and just have fun. So, yeah.
We were gonna go to dinner, but wait is very long and tiring, and I think we might just do a movie and eat pizza. Yeah, because look at this awesome place. There's a lot. It's fun. Pizza.
Had my little snackies and stuff. Emma and I just got shopping a little bit, and I got a bag, like 2 shirts, a GoPro accessory, and it ended up being like $300. And I didn't want to be a punk and say, actually, let's put this one back. I was like, nah, I ain't gonna do that. I was like, yeah, take my money. I was like, yeah, swipe that, or I'll tap that. And then, inside I was like, oh my gosh, 300, insane. And Emma got 2 things, and her thing was like $145. It's expensive here, but obviously I wasn't gonna wimp out. I was like, just take my money. Alright, well guys, it's been a day just moving around and doing our own things, relaxing. It's been really amazing. And I know it's dark right now because it's like past midnight. I'm enjoying myself right now out on our porch deck, because who wouldn't? I mean, just check out this view. Yeah, so I'm enjoying this right now. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Tomorrow, of course, we have more stuff planned out ahead of us, such as climbing or hiking up a huge mountain. See you tomorrow. Well, or see you in a little bit. Peace out. Like it up.